Hi, welcome to my video on the equation of a normal line, and this is number 6. Find the equation of the normal line to y equals 2x cubed minus 4x plus 1 and parallel to the line x plus 2y plus 6 equals 0. So this is a linear and this is a cubic. So to get the equation of a normal, we need the slope of the normal and the point that is going through in order to get the y-intercept. So the normal is perpendicular to the tangent. So let's find the slope of the tangent at any point. So the slope of the tangent, so we have y equals, make that a 2, I'm going to put a 3 there then, 2x cubed minus 4x plus 1. And the slope of the tangent is the derivative y prime. So the derivative is the slope of the tangent, so 2 times 3 is 6, so that's 6. 3 decreases by 1 to become 2. And the slope of a linear is negative 4. Slope of a constant is 0. So that's the slope of the tangent. Now we have to look at getting the slope of the normal is parallel to this line. So if we take x plus 2y plus 6 and get the slope of the normal, so we'll solve for y. So 2y equals negative x minus 6 divided by 2. Y is equal to negative 1/2 x minus 3. So the slope of the normal is negative 1/2. But the slope of the tangent and the slope of the normal are negative reciprocals of each other. So that means if this is the slope of the tangent, then the slope of the normal is the negative reciprocal of the slope of the tangent. So the reciprocal is 1 over 6x squared minus 4, and it's the negative of that. Again, the slope of the tangent is at any point is 6x squared minus 4. So the slope of the normal is the negative reciprocal, which is this expression. And the slope of the normal is parallel to this line, so the slope of the normal is negative 1/2. That means that negative 1 over 6x squared minus 4 is equal to negative 1/2. So if we take this equation and solve for y, we'll find the values of x where the normal is perpendicular to the tangent and parallel to this line here. So cross multiply. So we have, and again I can go negative 1 times 2 or negative 1 times 6x squared minus 4. Negative 1 times 6x squared minus 4, negative 6x squared plus 4. Negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. And we'll solve this for x. So we have negative 2 minus 4, negative 6x squared equals negative 6. Divide by negative 6, so x squared equals 1. If x squared is equal to 1, x is equal to plus or minus the square root of 1. So x is equal to plus or minus 1. So we have the value of x with the normal is going to be parallel to this, but we have to get the point. So we have the value of x. So when x is 1, we're going to get this slope of the, the point. We know what the slope of the normal is, negative 1/2, but we need the point. So we have to put that value of x, which is 1, into this cubic. So y equals 2x cubed minus 4x plus 1. So we're going to put a 1 in the place of x. And when we do, we'll get the y value of the point where the normal is going to be perpendicular to the tangent. So 1 cubed is 1, so 2 times 1 is 2, minus 4 times 1 is negative 4, plus 1. So y equals negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. So the point that that's occurring at is 1, negative 1. So also, what about when x is negative 1? So we plug it into the cubic again. And we plug the negative 1 in. And we simplify. So negative 1 cubed is negative 1. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. 4 times negative 1 is 4, plus 1. So y comes out to be, that's a 2, plus 1 is 3. So that point is negative 1, 3. So if we have the 2 points that this is occurring at, and we have the slope, so we know that the slope is a negative a half. So we have the slope is negative a half. We have the points y equals mx plus b. So that's x and that's y. So y is negative 1. M is negative a half. X is 1. So we have to find a y-intercept. Negative a half. So negative 1 plus a half equals b. So negative 1 add on a half is negative a half. So we have y equals, the slope is negative a half, so that's the m, and the b is negative a half. So that's the equation of one of the normals. Again, we got two values of x, so we have two normals occurring. So there's one answer. So let's work this out the same way again. We have the slope is negative a half going through this point. So y equals mx plus b, and we have y is, x is negative 1, y is 3, y is 3, m is negative a half, x is negative 1, so 3 equals negative a half times negative 1 is a half, plus b, so 3 minus a half is b, so 3 minus a half is 2.5, and 2.5 is 5 over 2, so y equals, the slope is the same as before, it's a negative 1/2 x, and b is 2.5 or 5 over 2. So that's the other normal. So in this case, the question is a bit different, but there's two normals that are going to be parallel to this line, passing through 2 points on the cubic. Again, the question is a little bit different, almost working. I didn't give you the value of x, you had to find the values of x. And like all my videos, if you like my video, click the like button, click the subscribe button, visit my math website, www.mathfullyexplained.com, to find more information about me, my videos, and the content. That's the content on my YouTube channel called Math Fully Explained, is one word. Thank you for viewing my video. Hope the video helped you. Bye-bye.